What's good, Hoodrich fam? Hoodrich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, today I got some special sauce for y'all on a certain credit union that a lot of people are sleeping on at the moment. We're gonna be breaking down Interior Credit Union with some couple data points that I've received. A lot of people have been getting 20 to 25K limit approvals with Interior Credit Union, and the membership is open to everybody, but the thing is you have to join an association, which is New Mexico Wildlife Federation Association. And then to become a member, they will be hard pulling your credit report. They will be pulling your Equifax report, but the benefit to them pulling your credit report for a membership application is that they will be allowing double dipping for 30 days, meaning that you can apply for a certain product like a credit card or a personal loan without getting hit with additional hard pulls to your credit report. You're just going to receive that one inquiry from the membership application. I basically want to recommend y'all more institutions that you guys can double dip with, because that's the ultimate goal when it comes to credit card stacking. Let's say you stack up 4 institutions with something like Experian or something like Equifax, and 2 of those institutions allow you to double dip. So you got 2 credit cards, right, from those 2 hard pulls from, let's say they pull in Equifax, but they allow double dipping. You got some extra products that you guys can apply for and get some more funding. Don't sleep on institutions that allow double dipping. Typically, they're going to be credit unions. And it's something that they might ask for when it comes to verification purposes is the last 2 pay stubs or your last W-2, which is not that bad. You know, most credit unions are going to ask for documentation. Now, someone on Reddit dropped a couple data points and they got approved for a 25K swipe. They say that they stated 60K income, their utilization was 18%, and surprisingly no inquiry was shown on their credit report when it comes to the Equifax report. Maybe the guy got confused. He probably got hard pulled for membership, but when it came to the credit card application, he didn't get hard pulled, so he wasn't aware of what was double dipping. That might be the case, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, there goes another credit union that you guys can tap in with to add to your credit stacking plays when it comes to your Equifax credit report. For the people that are trying to tap in, that need their credit cleaned up, that got fucked up credit and can't get approved for these high limit credit cards, y'all tap in with the credit repair program. Or for the people that are trying to tap in with a mentorship class and want to know how to stack these credit cards, or want to tap in with a Telegram chat with all the other credit gurus or whatever it is, man, y'all tap in. Links down below. Y'all tap in. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich way. Gone.